James J. Gilligan, son of Mr. and Mrs. General A. Atayano, and Diana Ashley and Matthew Flores, daughter of Vera, the daughter of Mr. and Mrs. Andrew Rivera, together with her escort, J.M. Abejero, the son of Mr. and Mrs. Marian Abejero. Queen Irving